Why does your scanner show the P0098 engine code? What does it mean? P0098 is a diagnostic trouble code for intake air temperature IAT sensor 2 circuit high. This engine code indicates that the PCM has detected a higher than normal voltage signal from the number 2 intake air temperature sensor IAT sensor on bank 1. Under this circumstance, short-distance driving is permitted, but your vehicle should be repaired as soon as possible. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Faulty IAT sensor 2. Wiring issues. PCM fault. Other factors. Damaged MAF sensor. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially those in manufacture since 1996. It is commonly found in Honda Civic, Nissan Altima, Chevrolet Silverado, and even some Subaru WRX. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.